We're here this evening to talk to Michael Rose of Allens and also Stephen Minns of King & Wood Mallesons about the future of the legal profession after a spate of mergers has redefined the sector.
It's my pleasure to welcome you all here tonight to the first of the Look Who's Talking series in 2013 on the internationalisation of law and the legal business.
I'd very much like to thank Nick and UBS for hosting this event. It's incredibly generous of UBS to host that and shows the strong connection they have with UNSW as well.
Talk about how the role of lawyering might be changing in the current environment.
Only 5 or 6 years ago, you probably had 5 or 6 firms who were really very similar. Now, in fact, you have quite genuine choices to make.
I thought it was very forthright from both managing partners in terms of the challenges.
Being at this talk tonight is helping me to make a decision in which sort of firm and areas I want to work in.
The thing that people need to build into their careers in order to deal with volatility is flexibility and mobility and resilience.
You know, you read about these things and you talk about it with your friends, but to actually hear two speakers of this calibre was a very rare opportunity, so I was definitely glad that I came.
My suggestion to you would be to be thinking about careers at firms which will give you the capacity to move locations and expertise and allow you to develop sectoral expertise, because that's the thing that probably won't change.
I've been very impressed, and both seem like extremely attractive kind of places for a young lawyer to be.
We're sending, second and third year lawyers on secondment to China. They're being dumped into Beijing. They can't speak Mandarin and they need to make their way, and that's a huge opportunity for people.
It's interesting to hear what the partners from firms who have merged internationally at this point have to say regarding the particular areas of law that I'm working in. So it was very insightful tonight, and I look forward to future events.
Do you think that volatility makes it harder to be a young lawyer these days?
Once upon a time as a lawyer, you just came and you kind of did the legal work and you didn't worry about budgets, you didn't worry about financial performance.
Traditionally, people have chosen careers in the law because they weren't interested in careers in business. Now the law is a business.
How much you know about the certain subjects isn't going to help as much as actually gaining a sense of the importance of learning and holding on to that sense of curiosity that you have as a law student.
One of the key elements of the new curriculum, which has been introduced for the LLB and the JD students this year, includes a really significant shift towards an international focus. What we're doing is preparing our students for the new world of an internationalised legal business.
It's less predictable, but it's also 100 times more exciting.